How do you know how much to push it in terms of weight and I know age is just a number, but I think one of the things I always worry about is you start a new move and you don't want to hurt yourself.
Right.
So is it always start slow, start small? So this is a 5-pound dumbbell.
Yep.
Theoretically, if you're getting good at it, you can go up to 10.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Always start lighter and do more repetitions. So let's say we're doing bicep curls here. I'm gonna start with 3-pound weights or 5-pound weights, make sure that my form is right, do 10 repetitions, then the next workout maybe 12, then the next workout 15, and then move up to the 7-pound weights.
Form is more important than just heavy weights.
That being said, form's so important. So
yes.
for those of you watching, rewind what she just did and make sure you get it right because, you can hurt yourself or you're wasting your time not doing it the right way.
So when we're moving into our 50s, if you do not already have a workout regimen going, then I recommend something like yoga or something that really helps with balance.
Smart.
So I thought Dr. O would also love this one. Do you want to stand up and try this one?
Dr. O, Dr. O, Dr. O, Dr. O,
Yes!
Dr. O, give it a go. Yo,
I love being in my 50s. Anyways.
All right, so this is a balancing pose. So we're gonna stand, press one foot into the ground.
Do you need me to spot you?
Yeah. And then we're gonna turn the knee out.
Oh boy.
And then rest the foot on your ankle. Okay, good.
God.
You okay there? All right, now we're gonna go up to the calf. Woo! All right, now we're gonna go up to the inner thigh. This is more advanced. Yes! Woo! Palms together at the center of your chest and look in front of you. Yes, look at your drishti, your focal point, and foot in front of you. Yeah!
That's pretty good.
Good.
Yeah, not having practiced it, I did okay.
Yeah. Yes, so I love that pose because it's a yoga pose, so it's focusing on balance. It's also focusing on strength, and it's gonna help you be sharper mentally because you've really got to think through it. You can't be distracted by all of us here making fun of you.
And as I look,
What do you think they've been doing for the last 11 years?
Quick tip for anyone out there starting any of these moves, particularly something like that, make sure you either have a spotter or something you can grab onto. If I had just done that, I would have probably landed on
the right
floor.
shoes too. These
Right,
shoes
right.
were.
Yeah.
I'm making excuses a little bit, but
Drew, you did a great job considering you're wearing dress shoes and a full suit, buddy. Proud of you. Never too late to get in shape. Just listen to your body, Stephanie. Always a pleasure.